Are you seeing errors created by the Gdi32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Before we get into the technical process for Gdi32, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This DLL file is a critical Windows system library for the graphics device interface. It contains foundational functions for drawing text, lines, and shapes, making it vital for rendering the entire Windows UI for users. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as the Gdi32.dll. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Gdi32 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick warning, many sites offering the Gdi32.dll are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the Gdi32 and maintaining system stability. If the Gdi32 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.